Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or if you've been here before, welcome back. And today we're doing some Panda Express, and I'm very excited about that because I haven't had Panda Express in a long time and I'm hungry, so we just gonna get right in, okay? So I have a lot to talk to you guys about. Hopefully I have enough time because it is 12:39 right now and I have a Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock, so let's see if we can do this. So let me go ahead and give you guys a pan over of what I have. Why is the light on? So we have some orange chicken, some chow mein, a chicken egg roll, some fried rice, and the honey walnut shrimp. And then I have some tea, some stress relief tea. And on the little saying on my tea, it says love is an experience of infinity. So what should we start with? This is not a bra, by the way. It is a shirt. Let me see. There we go. It's a shirt. I don't know what they're called. There's a name for it. Okay, so what should we start with? I already set my Grace off camera, so we're gonna get it cracking. They gave me this. Y'all, they didn't even give me any soy sauce, so luckily I have some here at home. So let's start off with that. How can you eat any type of Asian anything, or specifically this, without soy sauce? Like, come on now. Let's get into this honey walnut shrimp. I don't know. I think the sauce is for this, I think I call these crab rangoons. It's just cream cheese rangoons because they don't put crab in theirs. So, how do you guys feel about ordering out now? Now when I order out, I'm like trying to figure out if this, whatever restaurant I order from, if it supports black people, that they're not racist. Because I would hate to spend my money in a place of business who would kill me tomorrow if given the chance. So now recently when I order, all I'm thinking is, does this patient, I work in healthcare, does this place support me? Do they value my life? So I don't know if Panda Express is canceled or not, but the big talk in these last few days have been Starbucks being canceled because I guess they initially put out an article saying that their baristas were not allowed to wear Black Lives Matter shirts or any accessories. Now, I understand if they say you cannot wear a certain shirt to work, not specifically Black Lives Matter, but any type of shirt of something you support because of you have a uniform. If it's not a part of their uniform, I get that. But it also stated in the memo anything accessory. So even if your mask said Black Lives Matter, or maybe you had a keychain, they said they were not supportive of it. And that's wrong because they support the LGBTQ community and they fight for equality. But to tell somebody they can't wear BLM stuff, that's wrong. Because right now Starbucks for the whole month of June is celebrating Pride, which I appreciate because they should not be treated the way they are treated sometimes because of who they choose to be with. So I guess they said that it promotes violence, people supporting BLM in their place of business or their baristas or whatever. But I was gonna say there's some people who get mad if you support gay rights. It can turn into violence if you're coming across the wrong people. So then they went back on what they said and said, oh, we were in the midst of creating shirts or creating merchandise or blah, blah, blah. Because black people, or not just black people, but all the people who support Black Lives Matter was like, nah, we're not supporting Starbucks for you guys saying that. It had a big backlash. So because they had that big backlash, now they want to double down on what they said and be like, oh no, whatever. I feel like that was very racist of them. It was very, I don't know. It was a degrading. The way they handled that situation was very degrading. So I'm really sad about that because I love Starbucks. Absolutely love Starbucks. Now I gotta redecorate my cup so that the Starbucks logo ain't on there. I have to no longer go there. And it's sad because I love me some Starbucks. How do you guys feel about it? So, I'm upset that Starbucks is canceled. This is just sparkling water. Y'all, I have not ate since yesterday morning at about 8 o'clock. And all I had was eggs and cheese. Yeah, because I was rushing to work on Friday. I stayed in the bed a little longer than I should. That's what she said. And I wasn't late to work, but I was just, I didn't have time to do what I usually do. So, I didn't get to like make my breakfast or pack a lunch. Excuse me. If you guys are wondering, this is the kind of tea that I'm drinking. Girl, somebody need to teach me how to get this autofocus together. So it's honey lavender. I don't know if you were able to see or not. And I'm giving you natural face, 100% natural vibes, because I've been using Curology lately to clear up this adult acne. And I think it's from, just after having 2 kids back to back and stress, like, yeah. So we'll see if this Curology can make it do what it do. So far I've only been using it for 3 days. Why is this thing focusing? So yeah, I've been using Curology. So we'll see how it works. Hopefully it works. No, it is 12:51. Like I said, that Zoom meeting starts at 1 o'clock. It's a surprise birthday party, or birthday Zoom meeting for my grandfather. His birthday was yesterday. So was my mom, so wished him a happy birthday. Her and her dad were born on the same day. My mom is a Gemini, my father is a Gemini, so I'm sure you feel my pain. Geminis everywhere in my life. But in my personal life, outside of family, I always attract Scorpios. I think I have a Scorpio moon, which probably makes sense because I'm just extremely attracted to Scorpios. Not intentionally, but literally all my best friends have been Scorpios. I have a Scorpio daughter. Crazy. I don't think I have a favorite sign because they all get on my nerves. How do y'all feel about astrology? sometimes I believe it and then sometimes I don't. Only because I definitely don't do the horoscope thing, like reading your daily horoscope. That shit is phony. But when I was younger, I did, because every day I wanted to be like, oh, are me and so meant to be together? I want to know if he's out there doing something he's not supposed to be doing. So let me see what my horoscope says. Let me see what his says. You know, that stupid puppy love type stuff. Oh. Oh, my foot fell asleep. So, I was talking to my mom about my setup, and I mean, that's not why we were specifically talking, but I don't know how we got into the subject of my mukbangs, but she was saying how it's hard to see the food, or the food angle needed to be a little different. So let me guys know what you think. I told her that I can't get it how I want it to be because my tripod is like a lot taller than this table. This is like the lowest setting of my tripod, and I can't get it to go any lower, so it's just like the table to camera ratio. I have plenty of other places that I can do it, but I just like doing it right here on the floor because it just feels a lot more intimate. It feels like, I don't know, it just feels like we're vibing. I feel like if I sit on the couch, or that's definitely not gonna work for me. I could sit in the kitchen, but that table ratio, the perfect spot that I did have is my mom has her counter is really high. Her little bar island area, whatever you want to call it, sat really high. So that was like a perfect like height for mukbangs. But here, ours is not, I mean, it's kind of high, but it might be a glare because there's a window in front of our bar area, and then there's a window behind it. So, I don't know. Excuse me. I might just have to buy a higher table. Or I can buy like a folding table that I could fold up and store away just for mukbangs. Sounded like somebody was trying to get in my house. No bueno. I love cream cheese. You know what? I low-key want to take a nap, but then I can't because That freaking Zoom meeting. I don't think my kids will eat this shrimp. I know they'll probably eat the orange chicken. My daughter might eat it. She likes shrimp. I'm not 100% sure though if she will eat it or not. But I'll save it for them. So when they wake up from their nap, they're going to be harassing me for food. It's so good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to all my new subscribers who have subscribed to this channel lately. Thank you so much. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm very appreciative of you guys' support. And once again, thank you so much. And hopefully I'll see you soon in my next